Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a massive Temu haul. So this is basically two hauls put into one situation. So I was originally going to film two separate videos, but honestly we are going to do this haul video. We're going to do a video trying all of the makeup on the face, and then we are going to do a ranking my Temu purchases part 3 with this set of makeup. So I just thought, let's just put it all together. Let's talk about the new products that I purchased from Temu. I have another order coming to me, so don't fret, there are more Temu hauls in my future and full faces. So I also do have a playlist for Temu linked down below if you want to catch up on my old ones. But I think that's enough rambling. Let's just get into the new products. So before we get into the makeup, I actually purchased a perfume. So this is the first perfume ever that I purchased on Temu. And funny enough, I don't think Shein had perfumes in the past, but now they started adding some perfumes on the site as well. So I thought that was interesting, like kind of trying to compete with Temu. But this is the little perfume that I purchased. This is called the Bare Tide Play Oddis perfume. Super cute. I actually purchased a bigger size in a different scent that kind of looks like this with the little bear head on it as well. So cute. And there's a look at that. It smells so good. It smells like fresh and just like kind of not vanilla. Gosh, I'm bad at explaining scents, but it smells so good. I'll put the notes on the screen if I have them. Honestly, I didn't have high expectations for this product, but it smells amazing. And I'm also going to throw this in my purse because it's like the perfect travel size kind of product. It is a little weighted and it's just so cute. So imagine you're like walking out in public and you're like, oh, let me like throw some perfume on. Oh my gosh, I forgot this morning. It just smells amazing and it looks super cute. So I'm so happy with this purchase. And again, I'm going to show you guys my other one in my next video, but this is so cute. So along with that same kind of scent products, I also want to throw this in my purse, which is a Novo hand cream. Look at how adorable this is. As you guys know, for my Shop Miss A hauls, Dollar Tree hauls, I purchase a lot of lotions and I thought this was so cute. I cannot pass up on it. It is adorable. And again, it's like a little bear situation. Looks so cute. I haven't tested it out yet. There's a look at that. Let's test it out now. All right. Interesting, it doesn't have a scent to it. Yeah, I'm like getting no type of scent from this product, which I guess is good for those people that are sensitive to smells or don't like their products to be scented. Yeah, super cute. Doesn't really smell like anything. I think whatever, like I'm not super offended by that. I don't really care. But yeah, it feels so nice on the hand. My hand feels super hydrated now, so I'm happy with this purchase as well. All right, let's just get into the makeup, shall we? So the first product we have here is from PT.3. I think that's how you say it. The brow gel. If you guys have been following me here on YouTube for a while, I actually mentioned this recently. I don't know why. I think I was like gonna try a new makeup video and I talked about the fact that they had the dupe for the NYX brow glue, or semi-dupe, I don't know, packaging dupe. There's a look at that. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, what are you doing? I do Get Ready With Me for work type of videos. I've been using this non-stop over there, and all of these, well, most of these products from the first order on my Instagram. So if you want to see those in action right now, those videos are over there. So they actually came out with this product, but since I purchased this one, they actually came out with more dupes for the NYX brow glue. Products actually look exactly like the packaging. So this was the first one that came on the scene. So this is the one that I picked up from PT.3, and I already like this brand so far from Temu. I like their products. So I was like, why not? Let's just pick it up. This one is interesting. It's a little, well, I'm already going to give you guys a rundown of it. Let me show you guys the product. So it does look like the brow glue. It is pink, which I thought was so cute. You do get some information on the back. This is how the applicator looks. Really nice. It fits into the brow perfectly. The product itself, I think it's obviously not exactly like the NYX brow glue, the original, but I don't know. I don't want to like spoil my thoughts on this product, but so far I'm like, it just kind of stays on the brow and it feels sticky throughout the day. Just gonna throw that out there. But the packaging is super cute. I'm glad that I picked it up. I kind of want to pick up another one of the products that kind of look more similar to the packaging, but I don't know. I'm still thinking it over, but this is the one that I ended up picking up. I think it's okay. Let's talk mascara. So I did pick up the Sky High mascara from Yabaolian 5D Lash Extra Dimension Mascara. So I guess I picked up two Sky High mascaras. We have this one here, which looks very similar to a very popular mascara. If you guys know, you know. And it looks like So the packaging, 10 out of 10. I love this. It's so cute. But let's see. I haven't looked at the wand. There is a look at that. It looks very intriguing. So this one specifically I haven't tried out, so I can't really give you guys too much information on that. But this one I have been trying out. If you guys again follow me on Instagram, you guys have seen this so much. Even here on YouTube, I've been doing some shorts. So those videos are there as well. So wherever you want to see them, they're everywhere. But I did pick up this one for Poudier again, and this is their Sky High mascara. Again, Poudier, they tend to have like pinky kind of products, which is why I gravitate towards them. How cute is this packaging? Again, Sky High mascara. I've been using this so much. I really enjoy this one. Let's see how the wand looks compared to the other one. I think they have very similar wands. Oh, they're very similar, except for the one in the black tube is actually a little chunkier, a little wider, but they look so similar. But so far I haven't used the black one, so I can't really say anything about this, but I can definitely recommend this one. I've been using it so much off camera, on camera. It's so cute. Not only do I love the packaging, the actual formula is really nice as well. So this I have really been enjoying. What is this? Oh, the concealer. So I think, did I try this out already? I think I used this once before. So this is the Beauty Glazed Full Coverage Concealer. And I did mention in my last Temu full face that I didn't own a concealer from the site, so I just went ahead and picked up this one. What shade is this? Natural 404. I think I've used this once, maybe on my Instagram. And again, okay, perfect. It has the name on the bottom. It's a really nice kind of packaging. Not sure what this is duping. I just kind of wanted to try out a concealer from the website. So I'll just go ahead and swatch Natural 404. And from what I remember, I liked it, but don't like take my word on that. I think I used it like once. We're gonna leave that on the hand to see if it oxidizes. Next product is actually a fail for me. So this is a Kat Von D dupe, or KVD dupe. I actually have two kind of dupe-ish products for that brand here. The first one is this liquid lipstick, and it's from SP Do brand on Temu in the shade 12. So these, they actually have a couple of other colors. I was like, why not? Let's just pick it up and see. Girl, if you guys follow me on Instagram or have seen my reels and stuff, you guys know I threw this on in that Get Ready With Me. It's a really pretty color, right? It's stunning. However, it literally smells like Raid, like what you use to like kill cockroaches. Like, it's so, like, it smells so gross, and you smell it when you're throwing it on. So although I like the color, it's one that I might have to get rid of and declutter out of my collection, because I know I'm not going to reach for it. It's just a very strong smell. I love the color, but it's not worth it. So I'm just going to go ahead and declutter this already, because I'm not going to put this on my lips again. Now that we're here, let's just talk about the other KVD dupe. We have the Lock It Makeup Setting Mist. And this is from the brand Te Le May. I think that's how you say it. So there's a look at that. Let's go ahead and take this out. I think I've used this one once as well on my Get Ready With Me reels from TLM. Lock It Setting Spray. As you can see, very much packaging dupe, but the actual spray, I honestly don't remember my thoughts. It doesn't really smell, it doesn't have like a scent to it, which I think it's good. But yeah, I went ahead and picked up a setting spray because I don't think I already owned one. I think this is my first setting spray from the site, so went ahead and picked this up. So we do have two foundation-y kind of products here. We have the Yabaolian, which is actually the same brand. I could have sworn I saw this name. I don't know. But Yabaolian True Love Peach Perfect BB Cream Liquid Foundation Fluid Makeup. So if you guys have been following me, like, gosh, was it 2 years ago? I was in love with the Too Faced Peach Foundation. And I think they discontinued it because I haven't seen it anymore. But I saw this on Temu and I was like, oh my gosh, like, why not? Let's just try it out, right? So this one here is in 03. There is the color 03. So again, we'll have to try it out. I honestly don't remember if I did already. Maybe I mixed it in with something else, but yeah, there is that foundation. And then I went ahead and picked up the Ilho CC Plus Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream. Now this one is one that I kind of regret purchasing because the color is, I think this is the one that's very orange on me. There's a look at that. The Anti-Aging Full Coverage Broad Spectrum 50 Plus UVA. Not sure if that's true, but there's again a look at the packaging. It is a pump kind of situation. I think this is the one that was kind of orange. Oh no, this one was too light. I honestly don't remember what product was a little too orange for me. But oh yeah, this one was very, very light. I honestly don't remember what color I got. It doesn't say it on here. Maybe it was like medium or something. I'll have it down below, but it's just a little too light for me. So yeah, I can't even use that as a concealer. So I think I have another fail, but I'm just gonna keep it. We'll see how we can make it work, but it's just a little too light, which is sad. And as for the concealer, it's looking pretty similar to what it did when I threw it on. Let's see. Let me swatch it again. It looks pretty similar. Unless I have different thoughts, like when I'm looking back at the footage, it didn't oxidize at all. So perfect, love it. I went ahead and moved you guys in just a little closer. You guys are a little far away, okay? So next product is a liquid blush, which I did already use. And this one here is, who's the brand? Sene. And this is their Cheek Heat Blush on Color Tint. There's a look at that from this brand here. Sometimes it says like a certain brand on the box, but then on the site it says something else. So I'll always have everything linked down below. So I guess I picked up the color Pink. It's so cute. Definitely giving me vibes, I think, of Maybelline, or some brand has liquid blushes that come in this similar packaging. So I just went ahead and picked this up. I used it once or twice. Again, I think I picked up the shade Pink. So it looks pretty intense, almost like a red pink. And again, this is a tint, but it was really easy to remove at the end of the day as well. So yeah, this is a very dark color, but it looked really nice when I used it. So I think I used it once or twice, but honestly don't remember my full on thoughts on how it wore or anything. But again, I am gonna test it out again with you guys on camera. The color is really nice. I picked up another blush, but this is a powder blush from AGAG. This is called their 4-color quad blush, and I picked up the more orangey one. The pink one was out of stock, so I'm kind of sad about that, but the orange one is so cute. And basically this is a dupe for, I don't know if it's Givenchy or some brand that came out with this type of product. And I also did pick up a loose powder from Temu that kind of has a similar packaging. However, the blush, this one here, is way smaller, but this one is, it says silky makeup, so it's just a blush in 02. Again, the more orangey one. I already tested this out and it was so nice. Look at that, such a beautiful color. It blended in beautifully on the face, so I really much loved this purchase. We have another blush, so it says She Loves, I think that's the brand. I thought this was very interesting. It comes with a little sponge on the top and then a cream blush on the bottom. Look at how cute this is. This one here is an 04, and this is their Putty Blush. It looks kind of like balmy. So there's a look at the shade. It looks kind of, I don't know. I wasn't expecting it to be very balmy like that. Maybe that's why it comes with the sponge, but interesting. Right now I don't have high hopes for this, but again, we'll see how it looks on the face. Let's take a look at the sponge applicator that it comes with. I thought that was very interesting because not a lot of products come with its own little sponge. So cute. Not the softest sponge in the world, but look at that. And I think my other Temu haul just got here, so yay. Before we get into like the palettes and stuff, I have one more straight product. This is a liquid lipstick. Oh, it's a lip plumper. Lip plumper liquid Jalua Pop. And then I kind of wanted to unbag this with you guys together. I picked up the shade 04, and it's just those liquid lipsticks that have like the little lips on it. Let's go ahead and open this. All right. Oh, this is so cute. Look at how adorable those lips are. So I didn't know it was a lip plumping product. Look at how tiny. Again, I got the shade 04, so let's swatch it. I wasn't expecting it to be this small, but I think it's a perfect travel size product. Oh, so it's like a gloss. All right, so it has a little tint. I don't know why I thought it was a liquid lipstick. I think it's more of a plumping gloss. It doesn't really smell like anything too crazy. This is so cute. I love this. So next few things I picked up because they were cute. Okay, don't judge me. I thought these were so adorable. This one specifically is going to be a background piece or some kind of decor in my room because again, it is pink. It looks like Barbie, like a dupe for like Barbie, right? So this is from Dragon Rainy. And this is their liquid lipstick set. It even gives you an expiration date, which I think is very important. We have all the colors in here. How cute. I'm honestly not like, I'm like whatever about the liquid lipsticks, but the actual packaging is why I purchased this. How cute is she? So let's go ahead and swatch number one. Ooh, really beautiful color. This one here is in 04. I'm not gonna go in order. Ooh, this one here is in 03. This one here is 5. This one is number 2. This is number 3. I think the other one that I said was number 3 was number 6. I don't know, girl, sorry. But it comes in a set, so you're gonna get all these colors. So here is the number 3. So those are all the colors that we get in here. All of them are so cute. I really like the color selection. They're so cute. They're pinky. And yeah, can't wait to try them on the lips. But again, I got it for the packaging, but so cute. Very surprised by the actual formula. So lastly, again, 2 other products that I purchased because of the packaging. Look at how adorable this is. So it says Vogue on the back. This is like a big eyeshadow slash face palette situation. I thought these were so beautiful, and so far I've seen that the ones with Vogue don't appear on the website anymore, but now it says beauty on the back. But I'm so glad that I got this one here. How stunning is she? Again, these are going to be very much like decoration pieces. And then we have this other one, again, Vogue, and I purchased them quick, girl, because a lot of products on Temu go offline or they get sold out really quickly. So once you see something that you want, girl, grab it, because you don't know how long it's going to take to restock. So this one here actually came intact. The pink one kind of came broken, which I'm kind of sad about. These are the eyeshadows in the more orangey one. These are the face shades in here, and these are the eyeshadows on as the last kind of section of this palette. So there is the orange one, and then this one's the one that came broken, which I'm sad about because this is the cutest one. There are some of these shadows in the pink one. Some of the face colors came broken. I'm sad. Some of the colors again here came broken. This is the one I was the most excited about, but obviously I got it from the packaging, so you know, whatever. As long as one of them came intact, I'm happy. So this is so cute, and this is the last product from today's Temu haul. So those were all the products that I purchased. Let me know if you purchased any of these products. Did you place an order on Temu? Let me know in the comments down below. I so far have been loving trying out new products from their site, so I'm so excited to try all of this out. We'll definitely have to do like a girly kind of pinky look soon using all this makeup. So if you're excited about that, give this video a thumbs up so I can keep making them. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.